Hello mates, there's been exactly 1 year since I've made this nasty video, the start of my promising YouTubing career. I've never wanted to be an YouTuber, my goal was only to make some short, nasty, infographical videos to share them to help a specific crypto community named Crank, which I was and still am part of, seeing a lot of potential in the project itself. With time, after more research, I've made the first multi-mining video, at least in my knowledge, about Crank and another not LoRa project, Mist Notes. Nasty editing skills, I have no idea about video editing back then. Check the early other ones, do those look normal? Of course I didn't and still don't care about that. I've made the Bobcat onboarding video that helped a lot of people, the most viewed despite the crack jokes or no visuals. The Miss video was received a bit with skepticism, not because of the info in it, but because they said Mysterium was controversial, a lot of what there around the project. Well, nowadays, Miss Notes partnered with Crank. They are part of the Crank one-click multi-mining tab. Nebra offers the service Senscap also. Not so controversial anymore. That didn't stop me continuing with Streamer, even sharing a photo from my infancy. Grass, 3 videos on them. They banned me on their Discord server. Research. Crank founder approached me about this one. I was so proud. Really. Filecoin stations introducing the holiness himself, Crypto God. Gaga Notes making my first animation. Cool, right? Wing bits. That annoying voice. NotePay, the reason I was banned from Grass Discord. Anyone relays. I have no comment on this one, fast, simple video. And oasis.ai, robotic voice, AI jokes, CryptoGod's annoying presence, all of that were the reason I think I couldn't post it on their social servers. I did some other different types of videos like reaction coin smart notes, I was a superhero in action, or Streamer on free Oracle virtual private servers. Did you see those dance moves? Not my animation, it was AI generated. 3 mistake to say videos on a turned out to be a scam project. I don't want to mention its name, videos are down. Different Crank software related videos all having their fair share of bad jokes. My fable, all created by me besides the little master of course. And SkyX, Sky 100 weather mobile station, my first presentation video in a serious manner that was received good by their team and even shared on their social channels by themselves. The one thematic that stuck with me started from the links that video. I've discovered my true personality, a drunken crowned ninja. It kinda reflects my reality. I'm a king in my schizophrenia, no one knows who I am, and I like booze. About the name, I started like Cranking Man, cause I was like posting almost regularly what's cranking mates there on Crank Discord, where I was dedicating a lot of my time trying to help other people. But I just use C-Man nowadays, as from commoner man, the opposite of king, casual man, creative less man, crowned man, crowbar man on a dark alley. I didn't really give it a meaning, just semen is enough. The only thing that's certain is that I'm a man and I have no doubts about it. All that aside, this video is a brief introduction on my first year on YouTube, what's been going on in this past year and where I'm heading to. I'll be sticking around. I'll try bringing in new content, different types of videos, new projects, maybe analytics, maybe better quality videos. Nah, I still don't care about that. I guess the more things change, the more they stay the same. So, who am I? This is me. This also me here, me there, me. That's me. Happy YouTube birthday to me, and may Crypto God protect you from scammy crypto projects. Thanks for watching, mates.